Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you incredible experience of growing tomato in your balcony or backyard. This 2020 has brought us a lot of surprises. Along with that, we kind of got the need of growing our own vegetable plants at home because we are spending so much time at home. So we decided it would be interesting to you. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So for starters, guys, I'm gonna show you what do we need for growing tomatoes. First of all, I kinda make sure that I eat vegetables that smell good and that they're not natural, organic. So I went to the market, local market here, to find the best tomatoes. Guys, this is how it looks like. And they smell perfect, you know. It gives you a feeling that you are in the tomato field actually. So this is for you guys. I just went to this local market just so you eat the best tomatoes at your home. So first thing you need is the qualitative tomato, one piece. Then you take the tomatoes and you cut them like this in fat slices. All right. So this part actually I'm not gonna use. So only these two, the middle part I'm gonna use. All the seeds that you see here, they are gonna be tomatoes soon. Then we are gonna need a flower pot like this. The soil is already in there. So you take this flower pot, you open up a bit of space in here, and you're gonna place them. You see the seeds, guys? You just place it like that and you cover with the plant, with the soil. Make sure that they're all even in all places. And we are gonna spray the water. If you don't have anything you can you could sprinkle, you can just take any kind of bottle, plastic bottle, you make holes in it and you just spray like this. Not much, just a little. And then guys, you take a stretch folio and you make sure that no air would go in there, and you just close them, the top of the flower pot like this. So this is how we are gonna make sure that they are taken care of. And after 14 days, what we are gonna see is we are gonna see these tomatoes to grow from the seed. I have actually prepared the one that I have grown. It is in here. You will see seeds like this. When you start seeing seeds like this, it means they're ready. Then you can take them into a bigger pot, a flower pot, or a bigger thing where you can grow. Just make sure that you have a space around them. That's why I have separated them all like each one into this type of pot. And you can easily eat your own grown tomatoes in your balcony. Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you to all have a tomato garden in your balcony or backyard. Wishing you to have a nice day too. Bye-bye.